Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing some honey garlic lamb chops. For this recipe I already went ahead and I did chop that rack of lamb. I also have my green seasoning. I have minced garlic. I will be using some olive oil. In here I have salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. And I will also be adding a dash of soy sauce. So let's get right into the recipe. And first I'm going in with that dried seasoning blend, followed by green seasoning and the garlic, a little bit of olive oil because the lamb still has some fat attached to it, and just a dash of that brown cooking soy sauce. I'm just going to mix it all together. So I went ahead and I covered it up with some plastic wrap. I'm going to allow it to marinate for about 2 hours, and then we're going to start the cooking process. Now for cooking, I will be using my cast iron skillet for this recipe. And I already went in with some olive oil, so I'm going in with some butter. And we're going to start going in with the pieces of lamb. So I am going to take these out, and I'm going to start that honey garlic glaze. I went ahead and I went in with some more butter, and next I'm going to add in just a little bit of that same dried seasoning mixture, followed by some honey and a dash of soy sauce. And that garlic and the sauce is all ready. So I'm flipping it over on both sides and placing it back in. So both sides have that beautiful glaze. And my honey garlic lamb chops are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys tuned in to the next video. Now I will be having these over some turmeric rice. I will insert a photo. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and catch you guys in the next video. Bye.